So Samsung invited me to this secret room where they showed me the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Z Fold 5, the Galaxy Tab S9 series, and the Galaxy Watch 6. Without further ado, let me show you all the cool things that I learned about all of these new devices here today. And if you're new here, I'm Captain Awesome. This is Geekception. Let's get started. So starting with the Z Flip 5, there's a new bigger screen called the Flex window on the outside, which is a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED screen. You can run apps on it like YouTube, view your calendar, weather conditions, set alarms, and my favorite, which is taking selfies, of course, with options to either save a photo or delete it straight away. This year, they closed the hinge gap even more. They claim no more gaps. Flipping it open reveals a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display. And the display looks good here because, again, it's Samsung making it. And because it's the Flip, you can use it in several positions like this one that I call the TikTok mode. Also, something cool this year are the cases that Samsung showed me for the Flip 5. There's a new NFC one that changes the phone wallpaper when you put it on, which is super cool. And as I've been making a lot of short form content, I really see myself using this, especially for making TikTok videos. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 starts at 4,499 Malaysian ringgit. Next was the Z Fold 5, which I think is the ultimate folding phone that can launch not 1, 2, 3, but 5 apps at the same time. Now, the Z Fold 5 is Samsung's biggest folding phone, and this year, here are some of the updates. The outer screen is 6.2 inches, while the inner screen is 7.2 inches, with both using a dynamic AMOLED display, which looks really good in person. And just like the hinge of the Z Flip 5, here on the Z Fold 5, it is near zero gap as well. Now, for my first impressions, I would say this is the perfect multitasking machine on the go. Apart from running multiple apps, I can see myself using it open like a laptop, and there are several modes that take advantage of this. I would love to experience this further. So Samsung, let me get that device. It also has the latest Snapdragon processors, multiple cameras, and of course, several accessories as well, for which there is one with the S Pen, which is particularly interesting because the S Pen just folds into the back of the case, so they did not have to compromise the build quality of the Fold 5. Here in Malaysia, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 starts from 6,799 Malaysian ringgit. Moving on to the Galaxy Tab S9 series, from an 11-inch, 12.4-inch, and 16-inch devices, Samsung is targeting multiple types of people with the Tab S9 series. They even managed to preload 2 really wonderful apps, namely Goodreads and LumaFusion on the tablet. I mean, you have to purchase it separately, but it's exclusive to the Galaxy line, I believe. Now, what is new this year is that this is the first Galaxy Tab to offer IP68 water resistance, which is super cool. Now, paired with what Samsung calls an Armor aluminum reinforced body, it means that you can really take this on the go and use it without any fears that it is a fragile tablet. Now, a feature that was interesting is the second screen feature, which enables you to use your Galaxy phone on the tablet itself, which is super nice if you were like lazy or productive and you just wanted to be able to use everything on one device. And another nice thing here is that the pen and keyboard are included with your purchase of the Tab S9 series, unlike a certain fruit company. Here in Malaysia, the Galaxy Tab S9 series starts from 3,699 Malaysian ringgit. And last but not the least, the Galaxy Watch S6. Starting from a 40mm, you can get it all the way to a nice 47mm Watch Classic. The entire frame of the watch is the dial, which is super cool when navigating the interface. So some features here on the Watch 6 include using WhatsApp on the watch, a 20% larger display that goes up to 2000 nits, which means it should be good for outdoor visibility, sleep and body composition tracking amongst others, personalized heart rate zones, and more. Here in Malaysia, it starts at 1,099 Malaysian ringgit. So tell me, best friends, which of these products are you interested in? Which one would you like me to do a review on? I would be definitely looking in the comments down there. And a huge shout out to Samsung for letting me have this exclusive preview ahead of time. Leave Van at priority. She's my day one. And also, you know, some devices I personally care about here are the Flip 5, I would say, the Tab S9, the 11-inch version, and the Watch 6, because I'm a runner. I like to run. I want to track that as well. But that has pretty much been it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your view and your comments that you're going to leave down there below. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Remain awesome. And until the next one, I've been your Captain of Awesome, and I'm from Nigeria with Love.